Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which word edition you have and why activation failed. This matters because keys and subscriptions differ. Sign in with the Microsoft account tied to the purchase and make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow networks block license checks. Then locate the product key or subscription email and note any error codes displayed. Once done, reboot Windows, and return to the app so you can run the next steps with credentials and connection ready. Now you perform the core fixes. Open Word, choose account, and use Activate Product or Enter Product Key. This forces license validation. If that fails, run the Office Repair from Control Panel, first Quick Repair, then Online Repair if needed, because online refreshes files and license states. Also clear cached Windows credentials in Credential Manager to remove stale tokens that block authentication. Once the repair completes, sign back into Word and allow a minute for the license to sync before testing doc. Finish by verifying the account page shows a licensed product and the correct user email. That confirms success. If activation still fails, write down the exact error code, run the Microsoft Activation Troubleshooter, and install any pending Windows or Office updates because fixes often arrive in patches. Make sure to sign out of the Office account, remove it from Windows settings, reboot, and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. This step resolves many lingering activation mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.